Hey everyone, today I have a package from eBay. It's something that I was going to get off of Amazon, and just last minute I wanted to check eBay to see if they had anything like a better deal. And there was a lot for the two of them with like, oh gee, it was like a half an hour or so left on the auction and nobody had bid on it. And they had one of the books that I was going to get, but it was this one I didn't care for as much as the other one. But it was cheaper to buy it this way by like a lot. So I found them both on eBay. So here, let's get right into them. Okay. So they are clamp art books. There's the north side and the south side. Originally, I was going to get the south side, I think, on Amazon, and it was going to be like $11 or $12 or something. And it was a little expensive. I mean, I don't know what the original retail price of this is in Japan. 2,500 yen, 2,500 yen. This one was just a lot nicer because I don't think the other ones would have come with their original like case like this. But anyways, I think the north side is the one that would have been like $25 on Amazon, and this one was like 11 or 12. And I got both of them for $15, I believe. So I definitely got, for $3 more, I ended up getting the one that I really wanted and the one I also wanted. So it's just a whole bunch of different artwork from Clamp, I'm guessing. So yeah, let's just skim through these real quick. This one looks like it's got a little bit more of the older artwork in it. I don't know all of these animes or anything that are in here. Looks like it's starting to get newer here. So yeah, there's that one. And then I'll get to the north side one. This one feels a little different. Sorry, I sound kind of groggy. I'm still sick, or sick again, whichever. But yeah, this one's really nice. This is definitely the one I wanted more. Yeah, they got some Tsubasa, it looks like they have in here. Let's skip through here. I think that was some Cardcaptor Sakura. Yep. So this is the one I definitely wanted more. Oh geez, yeah, let's not go back that way. I think we're done looking at this. Wow. Maybe I'll have him edit that part out so you guys don't know what you just saw. Anyways, that's what I got today. And let me know what you think, if you've seen these before, and whether or not you thought $15 for the two of them was a good deal. And I'll talk to you guys all very soon. Bye!